Hello internet world, and welcome to my review of the 12 South Compass Pro. Now I have reviewed this product before, but the reason I'm showing it to you again is for two reasons really. One, it's the best adjustable mobile stand for the iPad, and secondly, this is a new stealthy matte black version. It looks absolutely stunning. It's really nicely designed. I can't wait to show you it in action. This is the outer sleeve of the Compass Pro. And if we go around onto the back, we can see the three modes available. We've got hands-free mode, we've got a desktop mode, and also a typing mode as well. It works extremely well. It's a very, very nice stand, and they've even thought of giving you a nice little carry case. So when it's folded down, you can pop it in the case and be on your way. So this is currently in the more upright mode. You can see here, there's little feet that pull in and out to actually support your iPad, and there's also a rubberized section on the back here so that when you've got it in this mode, it's actually nicely positioned on the table. It's not going to move anywhere, and you can pop your iPad in the portrait orientation, or indeed you can actually pop it down in the landscape orientation. It just gives you a really nice viewing angle. It's very, very nice indeed. A really good angle to watch back videos. Now you've also got this typing mode as well. So what we do for typing mode is we pop this down like so. We put out this additional smaller foot on the back, and then it's right down nice and low on your desk or table. And this is ideal for typing and for completing those tasks where you need access perhaps to the keyboard. It's a really nice mode, keeps it nice and low to the desk, and also just brings this up at a nice typing angle. Really very, very good indeed. And then the final mode, if we want this in a more upright position, is that we can pop this little foot back in. We can extend this portion down like so, and then this is in the sort of most upright position that the stand actually offers. This is what we're referring to as, I believe, desktop mode. So this is the most upright angle you can get. It's just a beautiful looking stand, and when you've finished with it, you can push this foot back in like so. We can collapse these down, and then it's ready to go in its little carry pouch. So you can pop it into your bag and take it to the next location. This is the 12 South Compass Pro in this stealthy matte black finish. I absolutely love it. If you want to pick up one for yourself, I've left a link down in the video description, and also a link obviously to the 12 South website. Thanks very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.